So you're still trying to run your business the old-fashioned way? So imagine a 5-day transformation fueled by AI that changes absolutely everything for you. Now, if you're an entrepreneur, you likely have big dreams, but you might be struggling to keep up with the fast-paced digital world right now. And as an entrepreneur, you likely crave success and innovation and the ability to stay ahead of the curve because you don't want to get left behind. Neither do I. Now, you know that working harder doesn't actually beat working smarter. So here's the game changer for you. I'm going to offer a free 5-day online challenge where I'll reveal how to leverage AI, including ChatGPT, Claude 2, Midjourney, text-to-speech, Canva, Perplexity, Whisper, no-code tools, and so much more to supercharge your online business. No more confusion, no more barriers, just pure growth, innovation, success, and very practical as well. Now you're going to see everything step by step as I build it against the clock to see how much we can get done in 5 days to set up a residual income online business that's enhanced using AI without producing junk content. Sounds too good to be true, right? But look, don't worry, I've got your back. Now I'm going to do this for free. I'm going to do it anyway, so I like the idea of the challenge and the added accountability of building it in public, and honestly, it's something that I wish someone had offered me months ago when I was learning this as well. So join me and learn some of the current AI secrets. And look, if it's not for you, that's okay as well. Now, this is going to be like a 5-day joyride through the future of business, risk-free, and it's free. Now, this isn't just a training session, this is a revolution in business. For anyone that can't make it live, the live sessions, it's 2 hours a day. I'm going to offer you access to the replay for a small investment, but I've kept it as cheap as possible to make sure it's really accessible for everyone. But again, if you can make it live, well, you get it all for free. And if you're serious about transforming your business and following along with practical steps, and this is ultimately your golden ticket. You know, the future's, it's right here and it's waiting for us. So together, let's unlock the doors to create this new era of entrepreneurship where creativity meets technology and dreams become a reality. Now, I want to help you become one of the business leaders in this technological revolution. And some of you, I want to show you the most cutting edge efficiencies into how to incorporate it into your own business. So are you ready to embark on this journey with me? So click the link below, join the challenge. Let's make history together. Your success, your growth, your future competitive edge is just maybe a few days away. What are you waiting for?